Alright, so today we are going to be talking about some demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative just is a Latin word, demonstro, to point out, to show. Pronoun is just, a word that takes the place of a noun. So these are pronouns that show something or point out something. And we know two of them. There's hic and ille. We've been seeing them thrown out and scattered throughout our stories, but now we're going to learn the whole charts. So if you turn to page 144, it talks about hic and ille. So hic is the Latin word for this in the singular, these in the plural. And they give you the nominatives and the accusatives, and that's what we kind of see for a little while. But I have faith in you guys. I'm going to give you the whole chart. So if you want to follow along, this is on page 200, and we're going to write out the entire chart for hic. This and these. All right? And this chart is put out a little bit differently from the other endings we know. So we got the masculine column, the feminine column, the neuter column. So we start with hic, haec, haec. All right? And then genitive is whis, whis, whis. Then dative is quick, quick, quick. And then we're going to our accusative, so we go to hunc, hank, and then since this is neuter, what has to be there? You're right, hoc. All right, and then ablative singular goes hoc, hac, hoc again. All right? So now let's move over to the plural. So we have again a masculine, a feminine, and a neuter. All right? So for our plurals, nominative, he, hi, haec. And genitives, horum, harum, horum. All right? So they look kind of like the noun endings, pretty similar. Our dative plural, his, his. And what do you guys remember about the dative and the ablative plurals? They both look the same, exactly. So it works the same with this and these. His gets repeated for the ablative. All right? And then we have hos, has, and then neuter again, got to repeat it, haec. So the whole chart looks like this. Hic, haec, hoc, whiz, 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 quick, 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 hunc, hanc, hoc, hoc, hac, hoc, he, hi, haec, horum, harum, horum, his, hos, has, haec, his. All right? So you're going to want to go home and you're going to memorize these. You will be given in class a sheet of blank sheet to fill in with all the pronoun charts. So you're going to want to put that on that sheet. All right? And this is what we're going to be using to study from and learn from, and you're going to be able to reproduce this entire chart. All right? So make sure to watch the video on ille, la, alud, which is that and those.